The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 110. Well, a very good morning to you. It is Sunday, the 2nd of February 2025, and it is an absolutely glorious day. Beautiful sunshine, hardly any wind, and it's quite warm. It's amazing what a difference a day makes. The ducks are enjoying it. This is just a very short little update to say that my next video will be going out on Saturday the 8th of February 2025, and that's going to be a video about some of the extra tasks I've been doing here on the boat, and also some other footage of places that I will be visiting in the next few days. So that's yet to be made. So hopefully it will all be going out on Saturday, February the 8th, 2025 at 8 a.m. I'd like to say a very big thank you to all of you who watch my videos and all of you who have subscribed. A very warm welcome to quite a few new subscribers in the last few days. Brilliant. We're almost at 800 subscribers, so another 2 or 3 and that would take me over 800, and that would be absolutely brilliant. We just need to get another couple of hundred and we can hit the thousands, so that would be great. So thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.